Okay, we're going into, this is Manga Art Book 2, and we're going into Part 2 here. We're going to start, let's see, where do we need to start at? Where do we need to start at? And right here, Lady Who. This is where we start for Part 2 of Manga Art Book 2. We're going to start with Lady Who. As again, we draw the head, formatted where the eyes and the nose are going to be, neck, and shoulder. Now we're going to put in the hair. Okay, and put the mask in, and she got a mask on, Lady Who. Hair, mask, get a little more format there. Pause the video, get your pencil and paper, and get busy. Erase lines that we don't need. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Erase all the line, but now we're going to shade in and put a little, make it more shadows and darks and lights here, and this is the final drawing of Lady Who. Lady Who. All right. Don't forget to go to my feltzpublication.com. It's a website where you can obtain this book and many more books you may like. Here we go. Little more. Okay, little more. Again, we start with the head as I normally do. Go to the body, work your way down with the arms, legs, torso. Got that? See there? You go over here. Put in more formats. Start with, put the eyes in, indication of the nose, hands. Okay. Okay, put the bolts in, erase lines that we don't need. Got a little electric thing going on there. Look at that. Got this heavy vest coat on. A little more details, as you can see. More details with work on his pants, his boots. Let's get to the final drawing a little more. There we go. It's the final drawing a little more right there. The final drawing a little more. What do you know is a little more. A little more. How you like that? How you like me now? Let's go to Miss Superb. Full body here. Miss Superb. Again, we start with the face and the head, work our way down with the body, torso, legs, arms. Put more details in here of Miss Superb. There we go. Cape. She got a cape on. Add in a little more details, the eyes in here. feltzpublication.com. That's my website. Plenty more books to see there, including this book, Manga Art Book 2. And this is part 2 of this drawing free lesson you're receiving here. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Edna-Reco, R-E-C-O network. Okay, we get more detail here. See? Erased all the lines that we don't need. We got the final drawing of Miss Superb here. There she go. Here we go. Miss Superb, final line. Final drawing. Page 46, 49. Okay. Stylish guy. Okay. Again, draw the head, body format, get that in. Get more details, draw in more details here. Put some glasses on his head, eyes, suit. More details there, as you can see. Here we go. There we go. More details there. Go to this side here. More details. Erase all the lines that we don't need. Come down to the final drawing of Stylish guy. This is the final drawing of this guy. How you like that? How you like it? PhelpsPublication.com. PhelpsPublication.com is where the website where you find many more books there. PhelpsPublication.com. Let's do the artist. The artist got a pencil in his hand. Again, it's normal. I start with the head, work my way down. Work your way down. See? Throw a little hair on him. Pencil in his hand. Put more format in there. Oh, he got a mask on too. Okay. Cobic pen. That's what it is. All right. See? Format the legs. Here we go. Pencil in his hand. Protecting himself from Cobic. The artist. Call him the artist. Let's go look at the erase all the lines that we don't need here. There we go. And we got the final drawing of the artist right here. With a pencil in his hand. With his mask on. Okay, what we have here is this I think this is the final drawing here. Called him Whack Jack. Whack Jack. The final drawing, Whack Jack. Again, what we do, we start with the head, ears, format where the eyes and nose are going to be. Put in the neck. Go to here. Okay, put in the eyes. He got big eyes. See, look at that. Put more information in here. Whack Jack. Formatted some hair. More indication of the information and details of the eyes. Okay. Oh, look at the hair. Look at all that hair. It's Whack Jack. Okay, here we go. Whack Jack. Check him out. Check him out. All right. Let's look at the final drawing of Whack Jack, y'all. Here we go. The final drawing of Whack Jack. There we go. Shade in everything. You get shade in and put more details in there. There you go. That's Whack Jack. All right. Don't forget, go to my website, PhelpsPublication.com. And don't forget to please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Edna-Reco Network, RECO. All right? And plenty more books you can find on my website at PhelpsPublication.com. Here we go. There you go. PhelpsPublication.com. Y'all have a great year, okay? We have a great year going into 2024. Let's get busy.